Have you ever wished your school bag could talk? Well, be careful what you wish for. It was a bright Monday morning, but for Ali, it was the same old struggle. He hated carrying his heavy school bag. He groaned, "Oof! This bag feels like I'm carrying a baby elephant." He threw it on his back and almost fell over. As Ali walked to school, something strange happened. A voice came from behind him. "Hey, watch it, buddy. You're crushing my straps." Ali froze. "Who said that?" "Me, you silly human. The bag you keep throwing around." Ali's eyes widened. "What? My bag can talk." Ali's school bag was angry. "I've had enough. You stuffed me with 10 books, 2 water bottles, lunch boxes, and even your football. I need a vacation." "Ali, you're a bag. You don't get vacations." "Bag. And you're a lazy student. You don't need all these books anyway." Ali ran into the classroom, whispering to his bag, "Shh, don't talk here." But the bag had other plans. As the teacher entered, the bag yelled, "Good morning, sir. Please give us lighter homework today." Everyone gasped. The teacher stared. "Ali, did your bag just talk?" Ali nervously laughed. Maybe it's my ringtone." During class, the bag refused to cooperate. When Ali tried to take out his math book, the bag zipped itself shut. "Nope, you always ignore your art book. Let's do something fun today." Ali struggled, pulling at the zipper. The teacher frowned. "Ali, stop fighting with your bag." Soon, the chaos spread. The bag jumped off the desk, opened its zipper mouth wide, and started throwing books everywhere. "Freedom for all bags!" it shouted. Other students screamed as their bags joined in. Flying lunchboxes, rolling pencils, and notebooks spinning like UFOs. The principal wasn't amused. "All of you, control your bags immediately." Ali's bag looked at the principal and said, "Maybe you should try carrying us for a day." The principal blinked. "Excuse me?" Before anyone could react, the bag jumped onto his back. The whole school burst into laughter. After the chaos, Ali sat quietly in the classroom with his talking bag beside him. He sighed. "Okay, I'm sorry for overloading you." The bag smiled. "And I'm sorry for embarrassing you, but you got to admit, it was fun." They both laughed. Next day, Ali came to school with a lighter bag. Just a few books. His friend asked, "Where are your notebooks?" Ali grinned. "At home. My bag said it's on strike until the weekend." And as they walked away, the bag whispered, "Finally, some peace."